Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Amazonite drop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach the teardrop to the bottom of the stainless component, and we're going to do that using a 4mm jump ring. These jump rings come already opened, so I don't have to open them up. I just need to attach the teardrop, and then I'm going to attach the component. And then I'm going to put my pliers on the other side, and I'm gently going to twist that into place. And then I personally like the look of having two jump rings side by side. I just think it looks nicer. So that's what I'm going to do for this. I'm going to attach my component, attach my teardrop, and then I'm just going to twist this jump ring into place. And then all I need to do is attach my ear wire. And then close that at the top. Super simple earrings, and all the supplies to make these can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.